Hello Mayhem Makers, I'm Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and today we're going to start our Beyond Squares sew-along for July. So you've either did your buy-in and have a pattern, or you potentially bought one of our kits. Something I want to mention, because this week we're going to focus on just the cutting, getting everything prepared. Each kit, because of how it was colorized for you, the instructions are going to be a little different, so make sure you're following the cutting instructions for your particular kit, not generic instructions if you got them separately, because there will be some difference depending on the fabric that you chose. They each should have a label that tells you what color they are, so you can coordinate with each block as you go. Another little hint as you're cutting, I like to use Ziploc baggies. That's how I keep each of my blocks separated. So I cut my pieces, I put them in a baggie, I label them. That way I can try to keep on top of what's going on and all my pieces and parts. And then I keep all my scraps until I'm done, just in case I miscut, mis-sew. Any of those mistakes, they happen in my sewing room, so I hold on to it until the very end. And so each week I will talk about a different block. Some weeks we're actually going to do 2 blocks, just so we can get this done by the end of August. Try to not draw it out too far. So I did partner up a couple of the easier blocks. We'll do 2 in a couple weeks, and some will have 1, just depending on how difficult the block is, so that hopefully by the end of August you'll have your entire quilt. It is this 60 by 60 design. If you want to make it bigger, absolutely, you can make more blocks, you can add borders, all those kinds of things. That's always an option, and we'll gladly help you figure all that out. Otherwise, go cut up your fabric, get ready. Next week we'll start with the center block, block number 1. We'll see you next week. Happy stitching.